Do you want completely stable GoPro video footage? You can now get that smooth cinematic quality with ease by using the REMOVU S1, the smartest gimbal for GoPro cameras. The REMOVU S1 is a 3-axis stabilizing gimbal manufactured with world-class brushless DC motors and rotary sensors. The S1 delivers extremely stable professional shots in any kind of activity. The S1 removes unwanted movements and vibrations, resulting in buttery smooth footage. The REMOVU S1 is the world's first handheld and mountable gimbal. The S1 hand grip can easily be detached from the S1 body, transforming the S1 into a mountable gimbal that can be attached to any GoPro-compatible mounting system. The S1 can be mounted anywhere a GoPro can be mounted. You can mount the S1 on your body, a helmet, a pole, a bike, or anywhere a GoPro can be mounted. You can use the S1 remote control joystick to control the camera's orientation. The joystick can be detached from the S1 hand grip for further ease of use. Control the camera's pan and tilt positions from a distance or while the gimbal is in your hand. The REMOVU S1 has 2 OLED displays which indicate the gimbal's current mode and the S1 battery level. These OLED displays are both on the S1 body and the S1 remote control joystick, so that you can always see what mode you're in. You can easily change the gimbal's mode to pan, follow, and lock mode, or use the inverted mode for those low angle shots. Additionally, the S1 is the world's first rainproof gimbal for GoPro cameras. The motors in the S1 body are specifically designed to be water resistant. Together with the rainproof housing, you can use the S1 in the rain or snow and not worry about damaging your camera equipment. The REMOVU S1 is the world's most innovative gimbal for GoPro cameras, designed for your comfort, ease of use, and versatility. Say goodbye to shaky, unstable footage and start capturing those special moments on the REMOVU S1.